Haki khendiat tayo balalen ngila sakhi kajingmi ki artali ki senglingba ki social media ki bakam bakidei ki patreina kabenta kabha kamyat jangkiriunget Hindu Henry ki kintin ki balapin priang lingba ki rinsan social media kumha ki Facebook WhatsApp bat ki wei ki kren ki kintin pinchit ngawi pher nyam bat jat penriu Kini ki artali ki seng ki bala mi tang harinsan jang ki social media ki dei ki bala aikar teng kum ka legal rights observatory bat ke Hindu Rashtra Shillong ki bala keno baki nyam Kristan ha kini kanong ba Shillong khamtam ka balang Presbyterian bat Catholic ki dei ki babei pisai ki seng bhalang khamtam ni ka KSU banne ki kam thombor ye ki riunget Hindu Hadin kini kijingkan tho lingba ki rinsan social media kajingkali ka bami kalong Bahatu kini kiseng kidon shisha ne kidei tang ki kam shimet jongno re jongno ban pentut ya ka shong suk shong san ha kini kejala. Banwat ya kijing shisha la yo ban ya kren be kinong ilam jong ka Central Puja Committee ki bala kren shai bekim ithuh ikini kiseng ki bakren ki kintin penshit ngaw ya pherniam.
I don't want to pass any comment because I don't know whatever Hindu Rashtra this and that. As I told you, no, mushrooming. Because CPC is a registered organization, CPC you know everything. But I don't know Hindu Rashtra like any organization exists in Shillong. LRO I don't know, I have no idea about it. But I am going through the press, media, what media report we are getting, that's all. Because I do not know any such organization exists. If this organization is nothing but a paper tiger. I appeal through your media not to believe or trust in such a news or such organization which gives this type of stupid statement. It is not at all good for the society because we want to live in a harmonious relation, peaceful atmosphere.
Halor kani ka jingkan shot bat kren ye ki kintin penchit ngaw ya pher jat penriu bat ngaw ya pher nyam ka khasi students union kala lej ujor ru da ka 1000 shakatanat pulit bat khamtam halor ka jingkan no don kti ki seng balang halor ka jingja ka balaja hajan ka jaka le niam kiriu nget Hindu hamahadev khola ha ka shnong lao so tun Shillong Halor kani ka benta kinong ilam jong ka Central Puja Committee kila kren shai bekim ithuh ya ka seng Hindu Rashtra Shillong
So far, I know the incident of Madhav. No NGO was involved. Categorically, it was stated by the Secretary and President, and I have published the minutes. So here we should not criticize. Yes, LRO, one organization LRO is criticizing one NGO, prominent NGO. It is not good because that NGO, particular NGO, was not at all involved in that unfortunate incident. It was clarified by the Mandir authority because of whom we have to trust the Mandir authority, those who are being affected. But some other organization also may intervene. Let them come in the forefront because if anything has happened, CPC government used to invite the CPC press. You people know us because we want peace and harmony in the state. So I am very sorry that some organization is mushrooming here in Meghalaya and as if they are the savior of the Hindu. It is all right. Now one thing you see that Hindus are all right. So far the CPC's point of view, that since last 30 years we have been performing puja this and that, we did not get any obstruction from any whether Khasi community or Christian brothers, sisters. No, because rather they used to cooperate us. So I think that this is not correct, that hatred against any community is not good, particularly in Meghalaya.